Well, welcome back with a 2.6 magnitude earthquake that's 3 kilometers south of Lomita, California. Happened at 11:47 p.m. Central Standard Time. Depth of 10.36 kilometers. If you happen to have felt this earthquake, let me know in the comment section below and from where, as I do zoom into the epicenter. There's a rolling hills. It's like a little racetrack looking thing to the northwest. Oh yeah, a little subdivision looking area, probably ran by some HOA. But yeah, that does seem to be it for right now. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.